Now, let's continue. I told you we're going to see process. Let's give a formal definition of process. Process is simply a series of actions or steps taken in order, it's important, in order to achieve a particular end or product. You may see, I don't know, you start here, you go here, then you go here, you finish here, etc. I'd like you to present you better a diagram of crushing plant. Crushing plant is nothing but this process here. And one thing that I want to show you is that actually processes are made many times out of many processes. All these circles are processes, and the total of these processes makes another process. But okay, let's see. Number one is you need to bring you need to bring the stones from the mine. Number two, you need to put them or throw them in this van to transport it. Number three, you're going to crush them. But it's not like that fine, okay? We continue, we go to the impact crusher, keeps crushing and crushing. Then we bring them here. It's already crushed, then we're going to evaporate, and they will go very, very finely crushed. Like you see, this is small, this is medium, and this is big. Now you see each process: transporting, crushing, separating, and storage. All these processes make a whole process, which is called the crushing plant. So just take importance that you can always make sub-processes inside a process. Now, let's understand the difference between a normal process and a chemical process. A chemical process is essentially, let me show you the meaning of Wikipedia, I like it very much. It's a chemical process is a method or a means of somehow changing, you need to have a change, one or more chemicals must be involved, or chemical compounds. It can occur by itself, it's not that normal, or caused by an outside force, which we are going to give. And it always involves a chemical reaction. If there's no chemical reaction, it is not a chemical process. Okay? So just learn this change of chemicals, outside force, and it involves a reaction. If you understand that, you are going good. Now, this is a chemical process. The production of mighty beer. I love beer. You love this, you've probably seen one before. It consists essentially in milling, mashing, lautering. This one is very important, boiling. Then comes the whirlpool. Then comes the cooling. And the most important part is the fermentation. This here that I'm making this circle here, it's the one that has the most important chemical reaction. So this one here makes the whole process a chemical process. But for example, milling is not a chemical process. Mashing probably not, it's only mixing water. It may have some chemical reactions, but it's not the main chemical reaction. The main chemical reaction comes here. And also maturing, but not that much. Filtering is only taking stuff out of the liquid, and packaging does not involve generally. Then it goes to distribution. So this process, this whole process, it's a chemical process just because there is a fermentation here, a chemical process.